কিন্তু যারা যারা রুমতে ইটো গেছেন কি তারার কপাল পুরা
মাকে অতখান যাইতো না
Yo guys, today is 14th Feb, right? And we are in.
Hey viewers, hopefully you enjoyed my solo video 12th February.
No, I saw one guy commented, we need pizza. So
So
yes.
here is pizza. Unfortunately, he is more not more ulta kita.
Not Murer.
He is alive.
He is alive. He is not more die. Like me, okay?
He-
Means me, okay? Yeah.
So you know, guys, today is 14th February,
Valentine's Day.
International Valentine's Day,
And
and we have no one. That's why we come.
did you still remember that one line?
What?
I thought you are four people in Srimangal.
Yeah. Actually, guys, a few months ago we went to a restaurant and ordered a pizza. Okay, and we are just me and pizza just sit there and okay one
And the
pound-
waiter
one pound.
served us 4 plates and
And they thought
we-
we are 4 people, but
yeah.
we are actually 2 people.
actually
And number 1 found it and you're behind.
uh, yes, yeah. What's it? Yeah.
So one more maybe in forward.
One more. There is so many. Okay.
But so let me hold. So guys, today is very like too much people sit there,
It's normal.
and
It's every time.
every time we are comes out a lot of peoples, but yeah, oh, let's see the kites. Oh, actually I want to told you that why not let's start flying kites. We are last time we flew almost 10 years ago,
Yeah.
almost 10 years. So now let's come back here.
No, not right now. And even we
Not
don't have kite
not right now, but let's start
Okay, we can try this.
in some days.
Yeah.
On here or any other?
In another place, like in a ground.
Rope after Chad. It's a international place.
Yeah, we can try it. Okay, so we are just 2 people and we are here to see couples how they are and
Enjoying?
how it feels when you have a girlfriend.
Because we can't feel it.
Yeah.
And
We'll ask them how it feels when you have a DS.
let's ask. Let's found somebody.
Okay, let's find somebody. and
Okay,
we'll
you know one thing. What's
ask them how.
you know what? I forget it.
What?
Wait, let me remember. Oh, they might be comes like 2 or 2, like 2 friends with their 2 girlfriends,
Yes,
and
yeah.
they are separately walking. Like
Yeah, if someone thought that we are too.
their flag. What is the flag?
Don't know.
Red color, you know.
Okay, if someone thought that,
What?
ooh,
You found already someone. Oh, that's crazy. Wanna ask? Wanna ask there?
nice idea. Like we can,
What should I do?
yeah, we can shoot anything. Like we can DR
Yeah,
them.
we can-
And
we can shoot,
and
shoot, yeah.
We'll tell them that we are recording a video. We like to ask you something.
So what do you think?
Should we try this?
You are extrovert, so. But this line couples are married.
Yeah.
And
But
and this side,
yeah, this side,
right
this
side,
side,
yeah.
couples are
not married.
not married. They are celebrating 14th Feb.
Yeah.
You know.
So we found already
yeah.
3 couples, right?
You know, we don't shoot this type of thing like recording someone and
Yeah,
uploading
that's-
on Facebook. What if you do something like this, and like if you are kissing or doing something else in public.
No, if they
it's
if they are
very bad,
if
yeah.
they are doing some private things, then
Yeah.
we are not cover it. We are not shoot it.
No,
But
no, no, no. If someone is doing any bad thing in public,
yeah,
then they should don't do this, because like if someone I saw very much video that everyone is doing in park, and a
Yeah.
park is a
basically it's
public
also
place.
a park.
Okay,
It's a park.
yes. So in park there is so many children, so many old men,
Now you can.
old women. So we don't shoot this in a park. And if you are walking, holding hands, it's right. We don't shoot. And if someone is talking, then we should don't record it and upload it on Google. So don't Google in YouTube, Facebook.
And how do you watch in web browser? And which website you publish?
We
You
don't
upload
should upload this type of videos on YouTube,
That's true,
Facebook,
that's true, that's true.
whatever. And if someday you like holding your girlfriend's hand, your partner's hands, and you are walking, and someone will upload your videos like this. So if you change
What do you
yourself,
think?
then
You are happy? You will happy or not?
what?
If someone recorded your
No, if someone record without my permission, then I'll be very angry. But if someone
so ask somebody with their permission. What do you think? Ask somebody there with their permission.
everyone's mindset is not like me.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's why.
Let's ask some guys like single guys who are walking there like behind us.
Yeah,
Let ask what's your
find,
feelings. for
yeah,
today.
let's find someone with our age.
Yeah, and who is alone walking there.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we can. Let's do this
Yeah. So why a guy? Why not a woman?
because
This is Bangladesh.
yeah,
Every time I forget this is not Europe.
yeah,
Uh,
we can't do this.
let's ask to this little boy.
Okay,
What do you
Ax. Ax, you can.
No, I can't.
You can't.
What do you think? Let's find someone others.
Let's ask someone in our age. Okay, like
Yeah.
what do you think? That uncle who is taking picture.
How
you feeling?
Not,
How you feeling?
not the good option.
How you feeling in this Valentine with your wife?
But uncle is alone walking there, lonely. Oh, you're talking about them?
Huh?
You're talking about them?
Who? What are you talking about?
Our behind couple.
Yeah, what?
So that
Yo,
let's ask some interviews. And there,
What do you think? That guy?
that guy is bigger. I mean, older than us.
Okay, we can do this, but we have to find someone in our age. And if he's older than us, if he's younger than us, we can't. If he's younger than us, if someone is younger than us,
Let's ask-
we might.
Oh no, yeah, I know him.
If someone is younger than us, then we can also try. Okay, this is the dead end. This is the end of the walkway. This is
No,
Chandigarh.
no. Let's move again.
Yeah, what the fuck?
What's the
we're
time?
doing?
What's the time?
8 minutes.
8 minutes. Let's do it for 15 minutes. We should must take an interview. What do you think? That guy is talking to someone,
Talking to someone?
and there is a nice sun.
Behind us. What do you think?
So what do you think? Let us.
What should I ask them?
So how's your feeling about this day?
Yo, do you know English? English জানো না? Okay. Personal তো জানি।
Okay, let's ask them.
Okay,
in
they're-
Bangla. What do you think?
বাংলায়? বাংলায় বলি?
To interview, boy.
No,
Acha,
they're
acha,
very,
Shoshan, no problem.
they're
Okay,
very
give
shy
him
guy.
the camera.
Yeah, they're very shy guy.
They're very shy guy as fuck. Plus, that one guy. That one guy. What do you think? And let's also ask someone.
Yeah.
we are finding there are a lot of guys, you know.
Hmm.
So what do you think?
This too good.
Let's ask someone the direction. What do you think?
What director?
Actually,
Oh, they are watching us. We should
yeah.
might hide. Go.
no,
Go.
you should go. Okay, no. I have you just ask question. Okay, all right. So you know, guys, we are trying to get some interviews. You know the question. So Pizza will ask some question to strangers. We will upload it on Facebook. Better vlog. YouTube.
YouTube.
Acha, no problem. So
Okay, there are
there
also
are some shy guys.
like
We should hold the camera.
yeah. In Bangladesh, there is very shy guy. I don't know why, but
Let's find some.
we don't find anybody to
Take an interview?
come in the vlog. But
And you
I
know,
saw
the
so
last
many
video,
videos.
you guys give us a lot of support and appreciate it. Thank
Yeah,
you so
and-
much for the supporting.
Yeah, and
guys,
I saw too many videos that where people. I think there's a scripted video. What do you think?
Yeah, they're
That's,
obviously,
that,
they're
that's
obviously
maybe
drawing
that's
scripted.
maybe a scripted video. That's why people come in
Yeah.
vlog and do whatever.
Yeah, but we are not gonna any script it or not gonna any edit.
Yeah,
okay? It's pure 100% non-scripted video.
Not scripted and not cutted video.
Let's find any kid. What do you think? Or any old man? But there's but there's I don't know why people are shy. If someone asks me, then I'll definitely.
Yeah, I have done once this. I was in a temple and some guy came and asked me, why are you here and what is the purpose
When,
of this? Like 2024.
Oh, 2024.
Yeah.
Oh, let's ask this old man. What do you think?
How are you feeling, uncle? On 14 Feb.
If he don't know, what's the day? Let's find someone. We have to. Oh, there are too much kids. Maybe they will. be
Yo,
happy.
let's go the other side and we can also fly kite.
We have to come back within a house.
We will cross this way.
By water.
Yeah?
So it's like almost this.
No.
No, yes, it's
No,
definitely.
no. I have
And
done
we
this
have
before.
to come back before 6 hours. 6 a.m.
Yeah, me
6
me
p.m.
too.
It's almost 5:10, so maybe
I,
not.
I have done this before. Like I have go through this
But
this bridge.
there are too much soft soul means,
Sand. Sand.
fake. So
It's sand. It's sand.
sand means balu.
What did I da?
They are
এটা বালুই
liquid sand.
না
We just sand.
oh wet sand wet.
Wet sand. Wet is
It's not a bad word, it's a good word. Okay,
no, it's bad word.
no, it's not a bad word.
You have alternative words.
Yeah,
You have the alternatives.
What?
Alternative word.
no,
So-
word is not a bad word, it's
Let's
a good
ask
word.
this guy.
No, go ahead. I have asked two guys and now your turn.
No, I can't ask. I just hold the camera. You should ask. Or this guy. This guys are.
If we ask
maybe-
someone-
these guys are maybe perfect.
What do you think? Like
They are just shooting photos.
taking photos.
Whatever. No, they just yeah. Same point. Actually, we found a guy named Azhar.
Ajar, yes.
Oh, they're
Today.
playing cricket. That's amazing, and we found our fourth
Hey,
target.
I saw my friends. Should I ask them?
Where?
Oh, there. Dipto.
They're sitting there,
Or
so you should or not.
দূর তারা ইয়া ধর্ম এখন
Where?
ও ধর্ম হয়েছে
Behind you or
in front of me.
So should we?
We found. Yo guys.
আসল হ্যাঁ
Oi.
Idhar
अरे Okay. Oi. So 11 Pro. Oi. তখন ওই on ভিডিও দেখবি নি লাইক ইংলিশ পারস নি ইংলিশ তো পারস মেবি দৌড় বেটা দৌড় বেঞ্চো ওকে বাংলা
আমি কনফিউজ হইছি মা
ওকে বাংলা ভাই যে তোরা কি শুরু করি কিটা কস আয় ভাই আয়
আমি নিয়ার
ও ভাই আয় তুই তুই ভাই আয়
কিটা সম্পর্কে ব্লগ আছে
লাইক তোর আমি আজ করবো যে তোর কিরা লাগে 14 ফেব্রুয়ারি তোর গার্লফ্রেন্ড কই এ ভাই তুই তো
পুরো দিকে ও পুরো আছে
আমার নাই রে ভাই আমার নাই
ওই স্যার তুমি কিটা কিটা করতে
না কান তো
নাই তো আশেপাশে যাই না আমি কিছুই নাই বহুত লাগে
কই দে
ওই যায়
ললিপপ লই আইছ
তাহলে কি
দুইটা লই আইছ
এই খবর কা কেন দেখো
তো বললাম বড় একটা ভাই লিরিক্স পাই না লিরিক্স পাই না
মাইক্রোফোন লাগবো না কিটা মাকে অতখান যাইতো না
Okay. Yo, my friends are also shy, very shy.
I don't know why people are shy. They are got nervous
Yeah.
and
So
let's start.
he sing a song
For us.
Yeah, for the question we didn't know. We didn't even know.
He sing a song to dedicate all of the couples.
Yeah. বড় একা একা লাগছে আমার লাইক হি ইজ ফিলিং ভেরি লোনলি
Yeah. Let's ask them. Oh,
Yeah.
Their faces they don't know English.
ইয়ো ভাই ইংলিশ পারো নি ভাই ইংলিশ তুমি পারো এটা কোয়েকশন আস্ক করে দেবো লাইক আমরা ভিডিও বানাই যাম
So we found finally a guy. So
Yeah.
let's ask some question.
হ্যাঁ
একটা question ভাই
একটা কোয়েকশন খাইলে ওইলাও হ্যাঁ বাংলায় আচ্ছা তোমার মুখ দেখাইলাম না ওই তো নানি
Okay, no
Okay,
worries.
everyone in Bangladesh
Let's
is very
find
shy.
someone.
Okay.
Let's find someone.
Yeah,
We have to take interviews.
yeah.
And what do you think? Let's go.
Yeah, we don't have any other option.
Okay, let's ask someone. Let's ask these guys. No. I told you, their face says they don't know English.
Yeah. There one guy is pointing him that he knows English. But when I go and ask her that, can we take a video of you? Then he said, no, sorry, blah 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 blah. Oh, nice.
Wait.
Today is 14th Feb and I don't know when I will upload this video.
You should try in 15th Feb. But
It's right.
there was too much sand.
I
hate sand.
have edited 2 video.
Have you uploaded?
Not yet. I have
So,
more
ask
3 or
them.
5.
So what do you think? Ask me.
I have more.
her?
Dur mother. I have more 2 or 3
If
videos.
we had some accessories like a GoPro, then
Mm.
people will definitely.
Yeah, it's right.
Like, what do you think?
Can we
what
ask-
to do?
ask-
They are
ask-
just
Can we ask them? Can we
fly.
fly once?
Yeah, I can fly. I'm the master. Oh, those guys are flying
they're
kite.
Daba, glass on me. Sinjoni. Sinjoni মানে
বালা দেখা দিছে ভাই
Okay, they are here flying. Try to fly a kite. Yeah. Kita. Okay, তুমি এটা ইয়ে দিতে পারবা পারবানি বিরোধী পাইনি
Interview.
ইয়ো
Utti ko toriba.
বিরোধী পাইনি বিরোধী এই পাইনি
10 বছরের নাম্বারই গেছে
পাইল ওইব রিচ খাইলে খাইতে পারে যদি বালা ইন্টারভিউ দিতে পারো
ওটা একটা ভাই আমরা তালি মারিয়া দিলা বাতের টাকে
Oh, do you remember we are on the time
Yeah, we have to go in time.
and we for a kite we traveled a lot.
Ibai bai niba video কত সময় লাগবে তোমার একটু আমরা একটু চালাও রাখি
Oh, they are.
Okay, we found a guy.
Finally, we found some guys.
everyone.
Yeah.
Okay, so
আমার
let-
friend
let-
বন্ধু
let me
Oi, oi.
হোল্ড আমার বন্ধুরা সাপোর্ট করবা
না না আমি এটা নাই এটা নাই
তে
ওকে
প্রমাণ দিতাম না
না না
Okay, আমরা question এটা হবে.
এ, পুরস্কার আছে
না না
Okay,
Okay.
so you should ask.
তোমার কি লাগে আজকে ফুড ফেভারিট গেম যে লাইক তোমার তো একটা গার্লফ্রেন্ড
আজকে
আছে
Valentine
আমি
Day.
আবার লিখছি
Very good.
ইনভাইট দিছো না
না ইনভাইট বলতে আমার 7 বছর রিলেশন আছিল ব্রেকআপ
বুঝলাম
হওয়ার পরে
রাইট বিয়া
না ব্রেকআপ হওয়ার পরে একজনের লাগে কলে মারছিলাম একদিন তারপরে আনি লিছি
Very good
একদিনের
decision.
রিলেশন
তো
Wow.
আজকের দিন দিয়া ফিলিং কেমন?
আজকের দিনটা
ভাবি
তো
কই?
ওয়াকে আমার ফ্রেন্ড ভাই ব্রাদাররা আইছেন উপরে বুয়াত আছেন তারা আইছেন কাপল দেখার লাগি আমার না এত কাপল দেখলাম সুন্দর লাগে তারারে দেখি আবার তারা তো শৃঙ্খলা করিয়া পার্কটা নষ্ট করে
এটা ঠিক ভাই
যেমন দেখেন ওদিকে দেখছেন নি তো তারা মেয়েরাই নষ্ট করল আর কিন্তু আপু তারার একটা কথা কই ভিডিও সামনে পাইলে ফ্যামিলির ইজ্জত খাইবা না পার্ক আইয়া
Yeah, okay. So ভাবি কই ভাবি দিয়ে
ভাবি বাসাত আছেন আইয়া গুল্লা বালা আছেন
তো তো বাড়াইলে নি গুল্লাই নি
ঘুরছি বাট এখন ঘুরে উড়াইমু
ইয়া
ঘুরে উড়াইয়া একটু ফিল লইমু ছোটবেলা তো অনেক ঘুরে উড়াইছি
আমরাও
আর মজা পাইছি না এখন ঘুরে উড়াইমু একটু ছোট
লাস্ট টুর ইসলাম 10 বছর আগে।
দেখবা আপনারা লাইভ নেই না ভিডিও
না, না, video.
ভিডিও আপনারা দেখবা কত সুন্দর লাগে আর আজকের ওয়েদারটা অনেক মনোরম সুন্দর মানে এটা কাপল আরো লাগে
Yeah.
আল্লাহ দিছেন একমাত্র কাপল আরো লাগে আজকে 14 ফেব্রুয়ারি
আজকে সুন্দর বাকা ইয়ে
কিন্তু যারা যারা রুমতে ইটো গেছেন কি তারার কপাল পুরা সারিয়া গেলে খানবা
Okay.
Okay, finally
He's a very open-minded guy.
ভিডিও ভাইরাল হই যাই মোবাইল
And we love him very much.
থ্যাংক ইউ থ্যাংক ইউ থ্যাংক ইউ থ্যাংক ইউ আমারে আমারে তারা 5000 করে আনছে ভাই কইছে খালি একটু প্রমোট দিয়া দিতাম
সমস্যা না।
Okay.
আপনারা সাবস্ক্রাইব করবা।
Yeah.
চলো।
He's married. I can't even. He's
No
our age.
problem. Yeah,
Like,
I know.
He's younger. Not
He did
younger,
well,
He's
he did
elder. I think
Let's
elder than
come-
1 or 2 years.
Yeah.
1.5 year.
So do you know this is called Etel Mati,
Don't know.
and this is too much heavy to lift.
Yo, right. Not nice. So yeah.
So should we try a kite? What do you think?
Let him fly first. Then we will ask. Then we will ask him.
Yeah.
Give us. 15 minutes.
Okay. So
We are selfless. We are selfless. Selfless. A free promotion, but he asked asked us that what is our page name, but we don't have any page. We just have a
wait,
channel.
Let me hold, and you go this way. And you know, guys, today is awesome weather, and some vloggers they are just laughing on us. So let's ask them.
Yo,
let's ask-
Wednesday I was in Sabia, okay, and
Yeah.
I was trying to shoot a
Oh,
video.
on this.
Yeah. So
On this direction.
I was just trying to record a video, and somehow suddenly some guy are playing football, and they were
Oh,
shouting,
you told it.
"Hey!"
You told it.
What the
So-
fuck is that? Like
So should we ask?
zero civic sense.
So should we ask someone or?
Wait, let me tell this story first. and I also thought that I will record video on the road, but after few minutes I saw that everyone on the road was not like this. We start walk.
Yeah. So what do you think? What do you feel on this day?
Okay,
We're laughing.
yeah, I'll tell you later. Okay.
So
So I thought
you feeling bad or?
listen to me first. Then I thought that I will record video on road, and when I started recording, and everyone was on the road was looking at me, staring me, and like I thought that they think I am an alien. It might be because in Bangladesh, maybe no one record video in English and never make videos in public.
Maybe we started first.
Yeah, maybe. And then
What do you think?
And then walk in the street.
No, some
and,
guys are already did this type of videos on Facebook.
in
Yeah.
Bangladesh.
No, not in Malbazar.
Yes.
Malbazar, we are first.
Yeah,
Malbazar,
we're first in the Moli Bazaar. So then after.
So
everyone-
should we take it in professionally? What do you think?
We can.
But
So, listen to me first, okay?
Yeah.
So, on the road, everyone is staring at me like I am an alien because no one have done this before in the Moli Bazaar. We're first in the Moli Bazaar who is walking on street and making
Recording.
vlog and recording video
In English.
That's the main point.
in English, that's the main point.
Yeah.
If you speak in Bangla or
Yeah.
Hindi, then a
No
little bit
one
of
care, but in English,
peoples will think they are foreigner,
yeah.
and
That's why people are we're making video in English and commenting in English. That's why people are staring at us and in shock. Like we are a Pokemon. What is this Pokemon?
alien. So
Then they think we are alien. Like what the fuck is they doing? Yeah.
and guys, should we fly some kite?
What is it?
বন্ধু না আমার বাইরে লাইভ ভিডিও কিছু তারা প্রশ্ন করবো কোশ্চেন উত্তর দে
Oh my.
Chalo. Bye. Digo.
English only.
না ভাই
Okay. So Bangla. So we found another guy.
So let's
So what you should ask now?
তো আজকে 14 ফেব্রুয়ারি নিয়ে ফিলিংস কিরকম? অনুভূতি?
আমি কুমারে কই আমরা আইসি গুরাত মানে দেখতাম 14
লাগে।
ফেব্রুয়ারি নিয়া কতটা কাপল আইছে আমরা ওয়াক কুয়েত তাইয়া দেখি কাপল তেমন একটা নাই
নাই
তাহলে
আছে
তো
বা খালাই একলগে নাই আমি দেখছি একলগে নাই তারপর
তাহলে তো আমরাও কে আলাইছিলাম যে তাহলে দড়ি দড়ি কোড দিতাম বাট
হায়।
পাইরাম না তো ইলা জিনিস
না যদি কিছু করে এরতে করে দেওয়া ঠিক আছে এমনি আর দুই আটের বা এমনি আটের তো এটা নরমাল
আট দরিয়া তো বউ হিসাবে হইলে বউ হইলে আট দরিয়া তো বাট গার্লফ্রেন্ডে আট দরিয়াটা ঠিক না না এত বিয়ে হইছে না ঠিক আছে প্রাইভেসি আছে না
আচ্ছা,
বড়
এক একজনের
বড় বড়
এরকম
বড় বড় ভাই আই নকল আছো চাচা কল আছো
না তারা যদি 18 প্লাস হয় সেটা লিগ্যাল
তারা লাগেও আজকের দিন।
তারা লিগ্যাল যদি 18 প্লাস হয় তে এভরিথিং ইজ লিগ্যাল ওকে সো তোমার ফিলিং কি তা হবে
আমার ফিলিংস তো কিচ্ছু নাই সিঙ্গেল মানুষ
হাই
আই গেতা হই
ব্লগার নিবা ব্লগার ব্লগ কাইন্ড অফ ওকে চলো ওকে শেষ
ওকে আল্লাহ হাফেজ আসসালামু আলাইকুম
ওকে
Okay, let's find someone.
crazy
These guys are not shy. As fuck
my
like this.
my sir is asking am I in my home
What?
am I in my home না বাসায় আছো না okay we have asked
Look at the sun. So should we start?
হ্যাঁ না
এমনি
আমরা লেগে এটা আমরা ফানি করি আমরা প্রফেশনাল নাই লাইক না আমরা লেগে মজা লাগে করি আমরা প্রফেশনাল নাই ভিউজ এভারেজ 20-25 হ্যাঁ না খালি হয় ফলোয়ার্স নাই ইউটিউব
আমরা সারি এমনি আমরা আরো চ্যানেল আছে গেমিং চ্যানেল
আমরা গেমিং চ্যানেল আছে হ্যাঁ ফেসবুকে না আমরা লেগে আমরা গেমিং চ্যানেল আছে আমরা রামেজ আমরা 500 1k 5k 10k
বর্তমানে
Average.
যেটা লইয়া কাম কর রাইটাত কত কে
বর্তমানে এটা না আমরা বর্তমানে প্রফেশনাল যে কাম করি
রেগুলার চলার কোনটা
ওকে 5k 10k ভিউজ ও এভারেজ
সাবস্ক্রাইবার
সাবস্ক্রাইবার লেগে 25k
ভালো তো
ও
ডাব্লিউ সাগর
না
সামনে আগিয়ে যাও
okay so there's it
Yeah, they're speaking fact actually,
yeah
and they are appreciating in another way, in different way.
yeah
So should
So,
we?
yeah.
Should we? Okay, so
take picture no the sun is gone
so whatever. The video is Right now we will end this video.
Why?
No, there's already 20-minute plus.
So why? So what?
So
Yo, say one thing. My bal is today very looking very well, very uh, good. What do you think? Like my hair. Hey,
hairstyle.
yeah.
Good.
Today is looking very well, very cool. You know, I love it.
So should we found another guy?
No,
Let's cast.
you go ahead, go ahead. I'll don't like I'll be in video. No worry. Hey, do you want to fly kite?
Yeah. So we desperately want to fly.
दूर बात दे. I like it. Azadi.
Okay. So that's it. We are closing
Why?
video.
You want to close the video?
Yeah.
Okay, come this way.
Okay. Tada. Give the outro.
So here's the today's video, guys. We have asked 4-5 guy, and they everyone
And, first,
answer this video in Bangla. We will don't try to translate in translate in English.
Meta. Oh no, sorry. It's YouTube, not the Instagram.
Yeah.
So here is it. Okay. So close the video. Tada guys. See you in another video.